Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. In this week's episode, we will demonstrate how to prep our own recipe for pad thai, one of our all-time favorite dishes. It is beloved for its perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and savory flavors. If you want to learn how to make this dish, then keep on watching. First step is to prep the rice noodles. So you can just soak the rice noodles in lukewarm or room temperature water until it becomes soft. Then set it aside. For the next step, we're going to prep the sauce. So first, slice 2 pieces of onion. Then roughly chop the cloves of 2 garlic bulbs. You'll also need to grate 2 pieces of palm sugar. Another option is to chop them. Now that the ingredients are prepped, we can start making the sauce. So in a pan, pour a small amount of oil, then saute onions, garlic, and atsuete powder just until translucent. Afterwards, set aside in a bowl. On the same pan on medium heat, add the palm sugar and stir it constantly to caramelize it. Make sure to not burn the caramel to avoid a bitter taste. Once the palm sugar is dissolved and smooth, make sure to turn off the heat when you add the tamarind concentrate to avoid splattering the mixture. Then turn on the heat again and continue stirring it until smooth. Season it with fish sauce and also oyster sauce. Then add back the cooked onions and garlic. Turn off the heat and your sauce is now ready. For the next step, we have to prep the other ingredients. So first, slice the chives or spring onions into 2-inch long pieces. And also slice your coriander leaves. Then take your hard tofu and slice into small cubes. Also slice 1 piece of red chili. Then slice 1 piece of lime. And also prep crushed peanuts. Next is to cook the protein. You can use any kind of meat, but for us we normally prefer shrimp or chicken. So stir fry your shrimp in small amount of oil. And season it with fish sauce and set it aside to cook. The final step is to, of course, cook the pad thai. So you can cook per serving or by batches, whichever you prefer. In our case, we cook for 3 servings. In a pan or wok, put a small amount of oil, then add your noodles. And then add 1 ladle of the sauce. You may adjust on the sauce according to your taste preference. Then add in your tofu. Then a small amount of dried shrimp. And pickled turnip. When the noodles are cooked, add your peanuts, chives, and bean sprouts. Push the pad thai to one side of the pan, then add 2 eggs and stir it. Wait till it is almost cooked, then you may mix it with the pad thai. Then lastly, add your protein. Now that it's finally cooked, we can serve it. Serve it hot and you may add fresh chives, coriander leaves, bean sprouts, peanuts, sliced red Thai chili or chili flakes if you prefer. So there you have it, a beautifully made pad thai bursting with vibrant flavors and textures. And this concludes our 28th episode. We hope you enjoyed and learned from our own pad thai recipe, and please do give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!